Well, I gotta say that's a pretty cool camp spot. So I'm not too sure if I'll beat that one, but I'll try. But yeah, today's plans: heading northeast towards Chissassibi and see what we can find out there. If we try to get as far northeast Quebec as we wanted to, but there's a dam over there. It's kind of blocked off at the moment, but we've conquered it before. So anyhow, time to go explore northeast. Hold on and enjoy the ride.
We need a miracle. Watch over there, it disappears. We lose it all and shed our tears. It's just a dream that turns into nightmare. Recognition is lost, we run out of time. Just a dream that turns into nightmare. We need a miracle.
Well, here you are, as you guys can see at Chez-Mika. Yeah, had a nice, awesome breakfast. I gotta say, it is a little bit pricey, but it's a small town. What do you expect? They gotta feed their economy somehow. So, one thing I saw while I was here, which was kind of cool, you had a tractor trailer haul arrive here, and then you had a combination of 5 trucks and SUVs where they're just offloading the truck with all their groceries to, I guess, different restaurants or grocery stores kicking around here, and then they just took off. So that's kind of neat to see, something different. But time to roll out and go check out Chissassibi and see what they got to offer over there. Follow my friends and enjoy. Cheers. Just had to take a quick stop here because I was wanting to get a shot of my bike in front of the teepee while I'm out here. Alright, let me quickly get the camera, take a picture, and then mission bike in front of teepee accomplished. On the KLR, I don't think so. Well, I don't think the KLR can swim just yet. Okay, as we're just getting ready to make our PB&J sandwich, nothing for the best for all season, I tell you. Nothing but the best around here. But here you go. Check this out. This is pretty damn cool. A whole bunch of fishing boats, looks like, and I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure right now I'm at the most northern point in Quebec you can get to. At least most northern west side. Maybe northern east you can get a bit further. I don't think so, but my vehicle, correct me if I'm wrong, next atop Chissassibi, I'm pretty sure this is the highest northern route you can take. So yeah, just enjoy the view, my friends. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna make my little PB&J sandwich, enjoy that, and then go find a camp spot, and time for a little bit of bike maintenance. So hold on for that one. Cheers. Okay, here we are. Just made myself a little bit of a fire pit there. Got a bunch of wood. Only one issue. There's no flat surface really kicking around here. Shitty part, but good part. That away, about barely 50 meters. There's a camp spot with a fire pit that's already kind of made and lots of flat surfaces. Yeah, oh well, I'll have to move all that firewood over there, but at least I ain't too far. So anyhow, let's move spots. Okay, here we are, our new setup. There's our pre-made fire pit right there. Moved all of our firewood pile and got our tent and the bike. And as we told you guys, we're going to do a little bit of KLR maintenance. So I'm going to show you guys what I try to go through every evening when it's raining and shitty weather. Usually, sometimes I skimp out, but I try to go over. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys this time what I mainly do. First thing we're going to check out, yeah, it's basically the lifeblood of the bike. Yeah, right there. KLR is simple. You got a sight glass. Bring it to the balancing point, and you can use a bit. Probably use at least half a quarter or so. It's normal enough with a KLR. Second time I add some to the bike this trip, so. There we go. She's at the full mark, right where I like it. And next while I'm here, just take a quick look at all the, make sure I don't see any oil leaking from the valve cover gasket since we changed that recently. Yeah, she's still good. The carburetor's still looking dry as can be, which is nice. And then these pegs on the KLR, they're notorious to go loose a bit. So we'll do this one, then take a look at the one on the other side. Okay, this side we gotta be gentle because there's one that's the rear one is feeling kind of stripped. So we go a little tight with the front one and then catch up with the rear one. There you go. So we got no slack, so that's good. Next, quick look at the one on the other side. Move our debris. Yeah, this one's a little bit loose too. If you want a KLR, you know that it's common enough. Yeah, hopefully you got the right size wrench. Oh yeah, of course, always a dead battery. Battery's going dead on me as per normal. What's new? And our chain, they say between 2.5 inch slack, which yeah, we're good. As long as it's not touching the swing arm, I think that's what they say. I heard somewhere, but for oiling, yeah, we got our grease we'll use that last just because we got no way to really jack the wheel up and spin it, so we're gonna have to oil it, back it up, and so on. So next, let's quickly take a quick look at our brakes. Like that, even if you had new pads before you took off, it's not a bad idea to just take a quick gander. This way you know, okay, there's nothing that's been crazy dragging. Front and rear are good. Then every now and then I'll check the tire pressure just to see if we still got air in them or not. Yeah, she got air in them. She's at 34 actually. We'll lower it a little bit. There you go, 26. That's a bit better. There you go, 22. Good enough. And then as you keep doing stuff, you keep your eyes open and you look for stuff. And maybe like I can see here. A little thing we noticed, but definitely not a showstopper. But you can see here if our right fork feels a little bit damp, so leaking a bit of oil, but it's not gonna stop the show. And then other than that, I'm gonna take a look at our repairs we've already done in the past. Our ZAF strap still holding on good. And then over here, what do we do here? Yeah, our glue's still holding on good. And then that's still holding on good. It hasn't worn out too much here, which is kind of nice to see. So yeah, if there's anything that I forgot, feel free to comment down below. At least you guys got a gist of a quick little go around in the evening on the bike, because not a bad idea to make sure your bike's good to go when you're in the middle of nowhere. Check that out. Not too sure how well you can see. Probably not very well, but it looks quite a bit like mush. But you know what? It actually tastes pretty darn good. Goes to show. Don't judge a book by its cover. But yeah, today was an awesome day for myself. The trails around here are awesome, man. Like you guys seen all day long, I've just been trail riding. That's what I love to do. I just go somewhere, and well, if I get there early, hey, I get all day to explore the trails. And just right now we're on the slow march back home, so we're just gonna take our time, explore some trails, test out the mighty KLR. So far this thing has been a beast. I love this thing. I can't say it enough. For how much is a $2,400 bike? It's taken me everywhere. But I hope you guys have had a good time following the journeys I've had today and all different places I've explored. Man, I had a great time. I wanted a picture of my bike beside a teepee before this trip was done. I got it beside, I don't know how many teepees I've seen today, so that's kind of cool. And had a good breakfast at Chez-Mika's. Other than that, we had a great time trying to push ourselves, pushing the envelope, pushing our limits a little bit, but not going overboard, because you always got to remember, you're still in the middle of nowhere. You don't want something to go sideways, so keep that in mind. And as per normal, thank you for all watching, and until next time, remember to live and cheers. I don't know, maybe someday. At the very least, we're probably scaring the animals away at least, so that'll help out. Makes us sleep a little bit more comfortably. Cheers.